Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to import and export contacts to Gmail. To import contacts to Gmail, you can do the following. First, go to Google Contacts. Then on the left panel, click Import. Click Select File. Choose a CSV or VCF file exported from another device or app. Click Import. Your contacts will now appear in your Gmail account. For export contacts from Gmail, now you can click the Export option in the right, then select Format, Google CSV, for importing into Google, Outlook CSV, for Microsoft Outlook, vCard, VCF, for Apple Contacts or smartphones, click Export. File will be downloaded to your computer. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.